Hi everyone. Welcome back to Gear and Grips. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Daihatsu Sigra, a compact MPV that's practical, efficient, and budget-friendly. If you're looking for an affordable family car with great features, stick around till the end. Let's start with the design. The Sigra has a sleek and modern look, making it a great fit for urban and suburban roads. The front grille is bold, the headlights are sharp, and the aerodynamic shape gives it a fresh, stylish appeal. It's compact enough for city driving but still offers enough space for a comfortable ride. Now, stepping inside, the Sigra seats up to 7 passengers across 3 rows. The cabin is designed with comfort in mind, offering decent legroom and headroom for all passengers. The dashboard layout is simple and easy to use, featuring a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The higher trims also come with premium fabric seats, a multifunction steering wheel, and additional convenience features. Under the hood, the Sigra comes with 2 engine options. The 1.0-liter engine is perfect for city driving, offering good fuel efficiency, while the 1.2-liter engine provides a bit more power for those who need it. Both options come with either a manual or automatic transmission, giving you the flexibility to choose based on your driving preference. Safety is another area where the Sigra does well for its class. It comes equipped with airbags, an anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and vehicle stability control, VSC. These features ensure that you and your passengers are protected on the road. Now, let's talk about pricing. As of February 2025, the Daihatsu Sigra starts at IDR 141.7 million for the base model, while the top variant goes up to IDR 187.1 million. Prices may vary depending on your location and dealer offers, so make sure to check with your local Daihatsu showroom for the latest deals. Overall, the 2025 Daihatsu Sigra is a solid choice for those looking for an affordable, fuel-efficient, and practical MPV. It offers a comfortable ride, modern features, and enough space for a growing family. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly MPV, this one should definitely be on your list. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gear and Grips for more car reviews and automotive content. See you in the next one.